Hello guys, I welcome you all to the path of becoming a code expert. In this video, we will look into how to install the latest version of Python in Windows 11. Now, it's time for colleges to start and school has already started. Programming students will require programming tools to start their coding journey. Online compilers are good to use, but when it comes to building projects and doing file handling, online compilers are not always suggested for developing the code. So, as I have already said in the beginning of the video, I will demonstrate how to install the latest version of Python, and we also need an IDE to develop the code. So, the IDE that I am going to download is PyCharm, that is powered by JetBrains. Before getting into the video, subscribe my channel so that you don't miss the next videos. Let's start. So, the first step is go to the web browser and search python.org. Python.org. And here, the official website is displayed. So now go to the downloads. And the latest version shown here is Python 3.13.5. So click on that. And it's getting downloaded, you can see here. Yeah, so this got downloaded. Click on that. Okay, so now what you're going to do is check these two boxes and click on Customize Installation. So in this, verify whether all the boxes are checked and then click on Next. And here, the first box should be checked. Okay, so this is the location where the Python is going to get downloaded. And now click on Install. So give yes. Now setup is being installed. So now the setup was successfully installed. Now click on Close. And now it's time to check whether the Python version has been installed successfully. So click on Start button and give CMD. So this will open the command prompt. And now we should give a command Python space hyphen hyphen version and click on Enter. So this is the latest version that has been installed now. Now close this. And now let's check whether the program is running successfully. So click on Start again and give IDLE. So I have various versions installed in my system. So the latest version is Python 3.13. So click on that. And now let's do a simple code. Print. We'll print the channel name. Now let's check whether it is executed. Code expert. And now let's do a simple calculation. 3 plus 5. Yeah. So this got installed successfully. And now we have to download the IDE for executing the code. Go to PyCharm download. Okay, so here various websites are shown. Click on the first one. Give download. So if it is Windows, you can give Windows. Click on download. Now PyCharm is getting downloaded. So now the setup has successfully been installed for PyCharm. Open this. Yeah. Give yes here. And now the wizard is displayed. Click on next. Now this is the location where PyCharm has been installed. Click on next. And if you want a shortcut for PyCharm, you can click here and click on this as well. This too. Click on next. Give install. So it takes more time to download. Wait until it downloads. The download is about to complete. Okay, so the installation has been completed. Click on Run PyCharm and give finish. Now click on next. Next, and here is where the PyCharm got downloaded. Click on next. Okay, so this is my older version that I had already installed in my computer. So I can uninstall that and now I can install this. Okay, so this will not, these steps are not for those who installed newly. So now click on this dialog box and give confirm and continue. Okay, so give access to this app, give allow. Click on import settings. And now PyCharm gets opened. You can go for a quick tour for this PyCharm if you are a new beginner. I'll skip this. Now on projects, you can create a new project for your code. Click on new, go to file, click on new project. And you can edit this name. I'll get the name of the channel and click on create. Scanning is being done now. Okay, so the project has been created. Now to start doing your code, right click on this and give new, and you have many options. So to open a Python file, click on this option and you can give the name. I am giving it as program 1 and click on enter. Now let's test this. I'm going to do a basic function, print hello world. And to run the file, you have to click on run. So here it got printed. Now let's do a calculation. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 6, print A plus B. So it got printed. The value of A plus B is 10. Can do even some more programs on this. So the installation of PyCharm has been done successfully. Thank you for watching this video, and you can subscribe my channel to get notification of my upcoming videos.